Hello friends, here Deepak. I would like to explain cos theta, Euler's infinite product form. Last time I have discussed about sin theta, infinite product form. Today I would like to explain how to cos theta open in infinite product form. First you have to see the whole concept, then I will explain. Now I am explaining this Euler's infinite product form cos theta. First you have to see how to write it. Cos theta equal to pi n equal to 1 to infinity means infinite product bracket start 1 minus 4 theta square upon 2n minus 1 whole square pi square bracket closed. This is the cos theta infinite product form. We can express in cos z, cos y, cos theta. Now I am taking theta in degree, and in this side theta in radian, infinite product symbol and 1 to infinity, and this is pi, approximate value 3.14. Now which things are required in this proof? Requirements: first, sin 2 theta you have studied in the class 11. Sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta, so you may proceed cos theta equal to sin 2 theta upon 2 sin theta. This is equation first. Now second, we have discussed in last lecture sin theta equal to theta pi r equal to 1 to infinity 1 minus theta square upon r square pi square. Now these two things are required to prove this formula. Now cos theta equal to sin 2 theta upon 2 sin theta, the value put in 2 theta pi 1 minus 2 theta square upon r square pi square, 2 theta pi r equal to 1 to infinity 1 minus theta square upon r square pi square. So what will do? 2 theta cancel to 2 theta, you will get this. Now same I have written like that. Put the value of sin 2 theta and sin theta, cut 2 theta, common infinite pi, and put r equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Now what will get? You will get like that. This is the numerator factors, this is denominator factors. Put r equal to, this is r 1 2 3 4 5 like that, infinite. Put like that, infinite. Now what will cut? This cut to this cut, this to this, like that. Whole similarly cut all denominator terms with corresponding the terms in numerator, then we will get, see that these things, this is 4 2 square, so you will get 1 this. Now second, this is 4 and this is 4 square, means what? 1 4 is getting 16. What will get? You will get 2 square this. So like that you will get and cut corresponding terms. The whole denominator will cut. The numerator what will get? Cos theta 1 minus 4 theta square 1 square pi square 1 minus 4 theta square 3 square pi square 1 minus 4 theta square 5 square pi square. Generally we can write 1 minus 4 theta square 2r minus 1 whole square pi square. So odd number represents by 2n minus 1 or 2r minus 1. When you put 1 you will get 1, if you get put 2 you will get 3, if you will get put 3 you will get 5, like that. So generally we can write in this form: cos theta infinite product r 1 to infinity 1 minus 4 theta square upon 2r minus whole square pi square. Hence proved. You can easily understand Thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubt, comments or suggestion, you may send me and ask me. Thank you for watching.